Hi there. So this will be my first video for a location. Hopefully I will do it half decent. If anybody has further questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Some things I will get right, some things you can tell me to do better in future videos. This is for Hotel Dimitrios from Băile Herculane, and I really wanted to present this place because it's really underappreciated. It's really nice, has a huge space all around it, mountains on both sides, sun shining right there through the forest, and also Cerna River. Not sure if you can see it from here. It's around there between the trees, but you should be able to hear it for sure. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the rooms, where you can eat, the restaurant itself. There's an area right here when you can sunbathe and also use the hot tub. Sounds of birds everywhere, really nice. In this area, a huge fire pit, and right there, sun is rising above the mountains. Just want to mention, this is family owned. Had a chance to meet the owners. They are really nice people, friendly. They will help you with all that they can, and also the staff in here is really helpful and friendly. And if you are thinking about parking, you have a huge parking right at the entry. And all around the property, all sorts of places where you can have your coffee in peace and quiet. And yes, in this direction, at the reception, again you can see mountains. And here we have the reception area. And here we are inside one of the rooms with a balcony and a view towards Cerna River. If you're wondering, daughters already jumped on the bed, but I did tidy it up as it was when we got here. Quite roomy. If you're looking at the furniture, it's not just your simple furniture. Actually, it's good quality and looking really nice and elegant. And on the balcony I will show you the view, and I will also show you the peaceful river in the evening. You have one big mirror right here on the side, lights all around so you can light up whatever you want, plenty of storage right here, obviously all your standard controls for heating, cooling. We are in the middle of the summer right here, and it's absolutely perfect to sleep in, so you will not need cooling for sure in here. Bed, really firm mattress. I think it's memory foam, honestly, from the way it feels. Really nice. Again, high quality, no creaking, squeaking anywhere. Those blinds, you can sleep in the middle of the day if you want. They can provide total darkness. even the windows themselves are good quality, so you will not have any issues even with any cars that are going by, but there are not a lot of them, so only from time to time, like maybe one now. So yeah, that will not bother you. But if you want even more peace and quiet, you can go on the other side of the hotel and ask a room there. Those have a view. I will try to show you from the outside. Basically, it's a mountain like this, but really close to the hotel, right outside their balconies. So that view is also really cool and even more quiet in there. Also in there, on one side there's storage, on the other side it's a mini fridge, you have your TV, you have internet, and quite good internet on all the properties. So even outside you get internet, on all levels inside you get internet. All is perfect on that part of things. You do not have cell phone reception, but you can make calls through Wi-Fi if you need to. And we are in the second type of room. This one is without a balcony, but more space internally. Overall furniture, again, same really high quality. You have the same amenities, everything around it. And obviously mosquito nets at the windows, in case that needs to be said, but they are not needed. No mosquito issues even outside, so that's great. Again, plenty of storage, and here the bathroom, so let me show you that. And inside the bathroom, obviously you have your standard shower stuff. Already washed my hands, a tiny soap right there. If it needs to be said, the glass on this shower is really thick, so much less danger. Yeah, I heard horror stories where people managed to break glass in showers. You will not be able to do that here for sure. Everything is good quality, even the doors themselves, the handles. So yeah, everything has been chosen with quality and also aesthetics in mind. Just want to mention, there is also an apartment in here. And hair dryers if you need, and an area where you can wait for your friends to come out of their rooms. And the staff right here, really nice, and they allowed me to also show you one of the rooms on the other side, and this is how you will get the room before kids run and jump onto the beds like it was on our side. And as I already told you, here you have much more peace and quiet on this side, with this hill right next to you. Really nice. And in the evening, it's extremely relaxing. You can hear Cherna River right there. Solar lights illuminating everything. You can stay on the balcony and relax. Even the sky looks nice. And yeah, that's about it for the video. Again, if there are any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. It's my first video of this type. A few things for sure I will get wrong. Example, not filming properly the breakfast area in the morning, because I'm still a bit shy of filming around other people to not bother them. So yeah, I did it in a hurry. Food was good, all was fresh, fruits for the girls, even some sweet in there. So yeah, that's great. And yeah, this is a really nice property. And see you in the next video. Bye.